Not really sure what to think here, why he's holding this rope. Maybe that's their new seat latch to keep that seat cushion down, or maybe it just makes him feel good. Welcome back, guys. It is your boy Broncos Guru, and it is this episode of Boats vs. Haulover where man and machine take on Mother Nature. Our first boater to contend with Haulover this week, well, they're going to show us what it's like to take it easy through Haulover. Though I never recommend this and don't find it to be a good idea. Typically I tell people you want to get on the power and let the boat do the work, but these guys are going to come crawling through Haulover just to kind of see what it's like, and go ahead and take a little bit of a wet, bumpy ride as they go through here. As you can tell, they're really going to just keep it slow and steady, and they're taking plenty of water over the bow as they do this. Really here, they don't take a beating too terribly, but I am going to give this round to Haulover because these guys just didn't really seem to know what they were doing coming through here. Our second boater is going to show us what it's like to get it done going through Haulover. None of this slow poking around, rolling through here at idle speed. My man's coming in throttle down and going to let the boat do the work like it's supposed to be done. And honestly, this is a pretty small boat. This is nothing crazy to be coming through Haulover, and the conditions are a little bit rough, but my man gets it done, and he gets it done pretty solid. Only a little bit of spray over the bow, but nothing crazy, and he comes in pretty good. This round's definitely going to the boats. Our third boater is going to show us what it's like coming through Haulover and hitting it good. Here you're going to see this cobia coming back into Haulover Inlet, and they're coming in pretty solid, throttles down, and right around here, boom, they are going to hit it, spray everywhere. But my man is fortunate, he keeps on the throttles and pushes on through like he's supposed to do, and this one's going to actually go to the boats here as well. Our fourth boater is going to show us what it's like to come through Haulover Inlet when you've got a job to do, but unfortunately my man's not going to get that job done today. Here we've got a nice survey catamaran. This boat actually should be able to handle these conditions pretty well, but my man just isn't feeling it for some reason. It doesn't look like he's coming through here kind of like some of the other people we see at a slow idle speed, when this boat right here is really designed to hit this at pace. He really needs to lay down on those throttles, get this boat up on plane, and let it do its own thing. But right here you're going to see our captain has decided that's not for him today, and you know what? He's going to go ahead and hit the sandbar and take the day off and end things a little bit early. Unfortunately, with this early turnaround, we know this round's definitely going to Haulover, and that's going to set us up for a 2-2 tie going into the fifth round. That'll put us into the fifth round, and we'll play one of my favorite games to see who pulls out the win this week. Can she hang on? Yes, I'm not being very fair in that statement this week. Obviously, you can see this young lady hanging out on the bow of this yacht, and of course, it's going to be pretty difficult to knock her off or knock her down when she's already laying down. So yeah, I've kind of given the layup a little bit to this one. But as you can tell, this yacht's actually having a pretty rough time, and right there, she just got soaked. You'll see here in a minute, she's going to go ahead and grab for her towel because she's soaked from it. That's still a pretty good job for Haulover to do that based on the size of this boat. I can't make the call because this boat's coming through pretty rocky, and Haulover's giving it a hell of a battle. So you know what? We're going to do like we've done in the past, and I'm not going to make the call. Go ahead and light up the comment section and let us know who won, either Boats or Haulover. And I'll go ahead and feature some of you guys who vote at the end of next week's video, as well as announce the winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to check out our other two channels, Wavy Boats, who gets us all this epic footage of Haulover, and my channel, Broncos Guru. We do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. Also, if you haven't already, please go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button.